Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we'll be making a moringa hair butter. Moringa has been really essential in our hair growth journey, so today we decided to make a hair butter out of it, and we have to say this might just be our latest favorite product, so stay tuned to see how it turns out. The first ingredient we'll be using in our moringa hair butter is raw shea butter. We'll be using 5 tablespoons of pure raw unscented shea butter. This is to create the formulation of the hair butter. The second ingredient we use for this hair butter is moringa powder. We will also be using 2 tablespoons of moringa powder. Moringa is an exotic plant found across tropical parts of the world. Various parts of the plant are a good source of protein, vitamins, amino acids, and beta-carotene. Moringa is very effective for hair growth because it helps develop the hair cells. It is rich in amino acids, which are building blocks of cells. This therefore helps with the rejuvenation of hair and thereby reduces alopecia. Moringa also activates the dormant hair follicles, thereby enhancing hair growth on balding areas and balding patches. The third ingredient we'll be using in this hair butter is cloves. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of cloves. Cloves contains a property called eugenol, which increases blood flow to the scalp and leads to hair growth. I've used cloves in a variety of our hair oils and teas, and we have seen immense results in our hair growth journey. The fourth ingredient we'll be using in this hair butter are rosemary leaves. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves promote nerve growth in the scalp, thereby restoring hair in areas it was lacking. We will then be adding in a heaped tablespoon of sulfur 8. Sulfur 8 is highly effective for treating dandruff and scalp infections. It contains antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. It also conditions the hair and moisturizes the hair, but this product in particular is highly optional. And lastly, we'll be adding 100 ml of extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is rich in vitamins K and E, which helps to reduce dandruff and make hair follicles healthy and strong. It helps ease itchiness and dandruff, but also stimulates hair growth and reduces the buildup of sebum. Once you have all your ingredients in the jar now, it is time to double boil it. Gently place your jar into the boiling water on low heat. Mix it all in thoroughly and allow it to boil for 20 minutes. As you guys can see, the shea butter is starting to melt and infuse into all the moringa and all the ingredients. After 20 minutes, switch off the stove and allow your mixture to cool down. Once the mixture has cooled down, it is now time to strain it. We will be using a wig cap to strain it. You will need to strain and then transfer your mixture into a clean jar or container to store your hair butter. Place your mixture into the fridge or freezer overnight in order for the hair butter to solidify. By the next day, our hair butter was fully formed and ready to be used. Your hair butter can also be whisked into a butter souffle if you choose to have a more fluffy and thick texture. This moringa butter is not only super easy to make, but it was super effective in growing and thickening our hair, as well as also healing our scalp issues. This butter is perfect for slow hair growth. It's great for bald patches, alopecia, dandruff, any kind of dry scalp psoriasis. It also helps with hair breakage, brittle hair and hair thinning. Butter can be applied by parting your hair into 2 to 4 sections. It can also be applied directly onto the scalp and massaged in. Also, as shown in this video, it is best to go in with a hairspray or moisturizer to slightly dampen your hair before you use the hair butter to allow that moisture to be sealed in. The hair butter can also be applied onto the body of your hair to lock in moisture and seal your ends. We typically use this hair butter 1 to 2 times a week. Guys, kindly let us know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you and if you would be trying out this amazing moringa hair butter. As far as we are concerned, we are obsessed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.